Hello everyone, I am Rahul. In this video, we will understand how can we update table data if we have done any mistake while entering the data. In this video, we will understand how can we rename a table. If a table name is entered wrong by mistake, then how can we change the name of that particular table using rename. In this video, we will understand how can we drop table and how can we truncate table.
Now we will understand how can we update records of a table. For that we need to use update query. Update command works like update table name, that is account to set balance. Set clause specifies which column data is to be modified. If I terminate this query over here, set balance equal to 9000, I am not specifying any condition by using where clause, then what will be done? All the balance of account to table will be updated with the value 9000. Check it now. Select star from account to. So all the balance, all the values of balance has been updated, as we have not mentioned any criteria. So to target any specific row, to target any specific record, you need to specify, you need to give a unique value, unique reference, so that it can understand I need to target only a record. As for example, I want to update this record, I want to change the value of this balance from 7000 to 9000. So I'll pass the reference of account number, as account number is unique over here, so it will target this record only. Nothing else will be updated by using update clause. Update command updates all rows from the table and displays messages regarding how many rows have been updated, how many rows has been updated. Update account set balance equal to 9000, where as I want to update the balance of account number A03, I will specify where account number equal to A03. So this where clause targets this record only, so only this balance will be updated. Check it out. Select star from account. So here we have updated the balance 9000. Suppose if I want to add 10% interest to balance in each account of account table, now what I need to do is update account set balance equal to, as we want to add, the existing amount will be there and we need to give 10% interest. It is into 0.10. We'll give 10% interest to each record. So 5 rows updated. Now check it out, the rows have been updated or not. So 10% interest has been given to each account. Here you need to pass a unique reference. Why we are specifying unique reference? Because if you will pass a duplicate reference over here, then the rows which specifies criteria mentioned by you will also be updated. As for example, you want to update the balance of account A01 from 5,500 to 7,500. Now, if you will pass the reference of VBN branch instead of account A01, what happens? See, update account set balance equal to 7,500, but I'm not mentioning account number, I am mentioning B name equal to VBN. So I wanted to update these row only. Now I have a message 2 rows updated, means VBN is the criteria, so these record will also be updated. So I have message that 2 rows updated. Now check, select star from account. So by mistake I have updated these record also. So be careful while mentioning the criteria, specifying the criteria. You need to specify a unique reference. You need to specify a unique criteria. And for that we will learn constraints also, which enables you to enter unique data. We will understand primary key also, which will not allow null value as well as duplicate value. Using that feature you can point to a unique reference. Now we will see how can we rename a table. To rename a table, it is a very simple method. As for example, we have select star from account 2. Now if I want to rename table, rename, it will work like rename old table name to new table name. 2, as for example I am giving new account, select star from account 2. As I have renamed the table, select star from new account. So as I have renamed account 2 with this new account, it will rename the table. Now I want to truncate this table, so it is very simple, truncate table new. So if I will fire select star from, it will give me the message no rows selected, because it has deleted all the data. As it is giving no rows selected means table structure is there. Now if you drop, then drop will drop the data along with the structure. Select star from new account. Table or view does not exist. Means as we have dropped the table, it will give me a message that table or view does not exist.
Here are some important practicals available for this tutorial. I hope you will try all these commands on your own. You will try changing the values, various values. You will try dropping and truncating the table on your own. And if you find any difficulty, let us know in comment section. Thank you.